Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. Today I like to create my versions of school makeup. So I hope your year is start with joy and pleasure. When I was in school, especially in high school, I don't really wear makeup, but if I do, this is what I would wear, because in the morning I don't like to take too much time on makeup, and also I'm not a morning person, so some school dress code is not allowed to wear makeup and we're allowed to wear makeup. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope this is helpful, and if you don't like something, you can always change it. And I start with conceal my acne scar and stuff. Instead of foundation, I use concealer. For my brow, I used to use gel brow pomade, but for today I use pencil liner instead, because pencil liner is more natural. I forgot to mention, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you there, and thank you always for your support. I really appreciate it. Now it's time for my eye, and instead of eyeshadow I use this bronzer to give a little bit of color to my lid. If you don't like it, you can change it and go ahead with mascara. I just want to give a little bit color to my lid, because sometimes without any color I look like I was tired or sleepy. So the bronzer that I use is from Too Faced. I use contour or bronzer as my contour, so it's a must for me since I have a very round face. So yeah, this is something that I would do, and I would go ahead and give bronzing to my face, my nails as much as possible. As for my blush, I use this. It's cosmetic blush. This has a very light color. I would put this in my cheek so that I don't look so washed up. As for my eyeliner, I will use this pencil liner instead of liquid liner that I usually use, because I want the look to be really natural. So yeah, I will use this brown pencil liner from, I believe, Rimmel, and then I will blend it a little bit so that there is no harsh line. Time for lashes. Let's get a big curl my set lashes, and then put mascara. I really love this mascara. I recently discovered it. Time for the lip. I would like my lip to have a little bit of color, so I will use this lip tint and lip liner that is like my natural color, and that's it. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I see you soon.